Hi guys, how are you today? In this video I will show you how do you know your tie rod is in bad condition or not. Here I will give you some sign, stay with me. One of the sign, if you rotate your steering, see the swing come in. That's one of the sign you know you have bad tie in. Another sign I will show you when you let me show you another sign. When you turn your car by complete rotation of steering, and when you move, you will see there's some not comfortable movement. The tire, sometimes the car doing like this. That's another sign you will know you have bad tie rod. Because third sign to make sure 100% tie rod is bad, simply check it by your hand. See, you hear the swing. This means it's a bad. Now first some W40. Now let's replace it. There's a new one, but it's easy to replace it. Only you need a spanner or something like this. Yeah. No need to open more because of alignment. So now what I will do, I will just open this. I will try to open this one. Size of spanner. There's 70 mm. You see, it's too soft. It's damaged too much. Okay. Yep, that's all one. I'll put new one. Make sure it's if it's same or no need, simply no need to alignment after you finish replacement. But if it's not same, but you can use for car, so after then you should make alignment for your car also. But if we see, it's same, there's no difference, so no need alignment. Just I will simply return back to its place. So I will return a new one. See, it's hard, not like new one. If you see, it's too soft. See, what doing it you can do by it. See, okay. There we go. Or return this one. You need to take it to mechanic to do it, so you can do it at home. So return ring.